Hi there, this is Chloe from SZGH, which company is professional in designing and customizing all kinds of rubbers over 13 years. Today I'm pleased to introduce one of our hot-selling items, the all-in-one handling rubbers. Handling rubbers is a bit different from other rubbers and structure. Can we see here? There are two extra pieces of rows assisting arms to strengthen the payload. In order to fit different weights of the handling pieces with more competitiveness, the all-in-one rubbers is designed for saving the working space. The base of the rubbers can be customized the height as well. If you have any interest in our rubbers, just contact us. Thank you.